and take a look at the 2013 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, tires, front performance. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.